Hey guys, this is a video lesson on how to solve equations involving radicals. So here in this video I will show you two problems on how to solve equations involving radicals. The first problem is medium, the second one is a little bit challenging. So here we have radical 2x plus radical 50x is equals to 24. So usually when we have equations involving radicals, we need to write the radicals in more simplified form. So this is radical 2x plus 50 can be written as 25 times 2, right? We have x, so it becomes 2x. So I can take out this 25 from the radical, so it becomes radical 2x plus 5 into radical 2x, which is equals to 24. Now we have here like terms. So radical 2x plus 5 times root 2x is 6 root 2x, which is 24. Now we can divide both sides by 6. So dividing both sides by 6 will give us radical 2x is 4. So squaring both sides, we will get this thing, 4 square. So radical 2 the whole square means 2x. Okay, it's 2x. 4 square is 16. So dividing both sides by 2, will give us x is equals to 8. Therefore the solution set for this problem is 8. Okay, usually after you obtain the value of x, you need to check by substituting into the equation. So we don't expect x to be negative because the radicals becomes negative. So you can check by substituting x is equals to 8 in place of x. Okay, the result should be 24. So this is how we can find the solution for the equation involving radical. The second problem is this one. So this is a relatively challenging problem, so I will show you how we can find the solution for this. So let us assume the first expression as a. Consider it as a. Cubed root of 14 plus root x is a, and assume the second expression is b. B is cubed root of 14 minus root x. Therefore these two expression becomes a plus b. This is a and this is b. So according to this notation, our a plus b becomes 4. Okay, call this is equation number 1. Call it equation number 1. Okay, again from this assumption, a is equal to cube root of 14 plus root x means take both sides by a cube. A cube becomes 14 plus root x, and again take this one and take by both sides by cube, so b cube becomes 14 minus root x. Now add these two things. Adding a cube plus b cube will give us a cube plus b cube becomes 14 minus root x. 14 plus root x plus 14 minus root x. So this thing will be eliminated. It becomes 0. Therefore 14 plus 14 is 28. So you see, a cube plus b cube becomes 28. So call this as equation number 2. Let me just change equations by color. So say this is equation number 2. Again, using binomial expansion, we know that a cube, using binomial expansion, we know that a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube, or let me just write in the proper manner, call this a plus b. The whole cube can be written as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is from binomial expansion. So rearranging this term, we can write a cube plus b cube plus, here we can have 3ab in common, so I can take out 3ab, then inside it remains a plus b. So we know that a plus b is 4 from the first equation, so 4 cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus this a plus b is 4, so 3 times ab times 4, which is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 12ab. But from the second equation, a cube plus b cube is 28. Okay, so 4 cube is 64, which is equals to a cube plus b cube is 28 plus 12ab. Okay, so this implies 64 minus 28 is equals to 12ab. So this is 36 is equals to 12ab. So our AB becomes A times B, becomes dividing both sides by 12, A times B becomes 3. So call this equation number 3. Okay, equation number 3. Again, let us assume another thing. We all know that A plus B the whole square is A plus B the whole square is A square plus b square plus 2ab, as you can check. Okay, but a plus b from the first equation, it's 4 square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab is 3 from the third equation. So this implies 4 square is 16, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 6. You see, from this, taking 6 to the left, a square plus b square becomes a square plus b square becomes 10. Call this equation number as 4. Okay, you can call this as equation number 4, and we can proceed for the other assumption. It's not assumption, it's fact. So the fact is a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So from the fourth equation, we know that a square plus b square is 10. 10 minus 2 times a times b is 3 from the third equation. Okay, from the third equation, it's 3. Therefore, this thing becomes 10 minus 6, which is 4. Okay, so a minus b the whole square is 4, which implies a minus b is 2. Call again this as equation number 5. Okay, call this as equation number 5. So from the first equation, and from equation number 1 and equation number 5, we can get a self-done simultaneous equation of two variables. From equation number 1, we have a plus b is 4. From number 5, a minus b is 2. So solving this simultaneous equation will give us a is equals to 3. You can directly add them. So a is 3, but a is cubed root of 14 plus root x, okay, which is 3. A is 3. So this implies cubed root means 14 plus root x, the whole 1 over 3, which is equals to 3. Taking both sides by cube, it gives us 14 plus root x is equals to cube of 3 is 27. Okay, so this gives us root x becomes 27 minus 40. So root x is 30. So square it both sides. So radical x square is x, and 13 square is 169. Therefore, the solution set for this equation is 169. So you can verify, or you can check that x should be 169.